Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the science behind hurricanes. In this video, we will unravel the fascinating yet intimidating aspects of these powerful natural phenomena. From understanding their formation to exploring their devastating impacts, we will dive deep into the world of these remarkable storms. So sit back and prepare to be blown away by the incredibly dynamic science of hurricanes. Let's embark on this whirlwind journey together. 1. Understanding the basics of hurricanes. Hurricanes, also known as tropical cyclones, are among nature's most formidable demonstrations of power. Picture an immense whirling engine, powered by warm water and moisture. This is essentially what a hurricane embodies. They originate over warm ocean waters, typically above 26 degrees Celsius, where they gather the energy to fuel their destructive journey. At their core, these storms have an organized system of clouds packed with heavy rainfall and violent winds. It's this rapidly rotating system that can cause immense damage to coastal regions when they make landfall. When one thinks of hurricanes, it's crucial to understand that they're a force that nature has nurtured for millions of years, a testament to the intricate balance of our planet's climate systems. 2. The importance of the eye and eye wall. In the heart of every hurricane lies its eye, a relatively calm area that is approximately 20 to 40 miles across. This eye serves as the hub of the storm's fury, paradoxically calm and clear, surrounded by the eye wall that is packed with the hurricane's most chaotic elements. Consisting of a swirling mix of fast winds, torrential rainfall, and intense thunderstorms, the eye wall is where the most severe weather conditions are found. This configuration functions like a wheel, with the revolving storms acting much like the spokes that drive it. Interestingly, the calm eye offers a brief respite for those in its path, a deceptive tranquility before the full force of destruction returns. Understanding this dynamic helps in predicting storm behavior and potential impact areas. 3. How hurricanes form. The recipe. The formation of a hurricane can be likened to baking a cake. You need the right ingredients and conditions. Warm ocean waters provide the essential heat that serves as energy needed for the storm's creation. Besides, atmospheric conditions must be favorable, with low vertical wind shear allowing the system to build strength unhindered. Moisture from the ocean surface rises and condenses, forming clouds and releasing latent heat which adds fuel to the burgeoning system. The Earth's rotation, or the Coriolis effect, propels and spins this mass of storms, aiding its growth into a more organized system. These favorable conditions must come together harmoniously to allow a hurricane to blossom, giving rise to the remarkable, yet terrifying storms we encounter during the hurricane season. 4. Hurricane categories and their impact. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale is the benchmark for classifying hurricanes, ranging from Category 1, with winds of 74-95 miles per hour, to Category 5, featuring winds exceeding 157 miles per hour. The scale provides a measure of the potential damage and flooding a hurricane can cause when it hits land. Category 1 storms are characterized by damage to shrubbery, trees, and unprotected mobile homes. As the categories increase, so do the hurricane's ferocity and potential for destruction. A Category 5 hurricane is rare but extremely devastating, capable of causing catastrophic damage to infrastructure, leading to complete communications and utility outages. Comprehending these categories can help in predicting the damage path and preparing emergency response steps. 5. The role of climate change in hurricane activity. Climate change has emerged as a compelling factor influencing hurricane activity, potentially altering the frequency, duration, and intensity of these storms. Rising sea surface temperatures, attributed to climate change, provide additional fuel that could intensify hurricanes. Moreover, the rise in sea levels results in a higher storm surge, exacerbating coastal flooding during landfall. Climate models suggest that while the total number of hurricanes may not necessarily increase, the occurrence of Category 4 and 5 storms could become more frequent. With these changes, it's crucial to consider the long-term impact of human actions on the planet's delicate balance. These alterations in hurricane behavior highlight the need for concerted efforts to tackle climate change. 6. Predicting hurricanes. The technology behind advancements in technology have significantly improved the prediction and tracking of hurricanes. Satellites play a crucial role, capturing images of developing storms from space, providing meteorologists a bird's-eye view. In addition, Computer models simulate hurricane tracks and intensity, allowing experts to make highly informed forecasts. Aircraft reconnaissance missions, tools that penetrate into the storm's eye, collect invaluable data on the hurricane's pressure, wind speed, and structure. This data provides insight into the storm's potential impact. Thanks to these innovations, early warnings and accurate predictions enable communities to prepare and mitigate the adverse effects effectively, saving lives and minimizing property damage. 7. The economic and social impact of hurricanes. Hurricanes are not just meteorological phenomena. They have profound economic and social impacts. The immediate effect is often destruction, with homes, businesses, and infrastructure bearing the brunt of a storm's might. The economic cost can skyrocket into billions, with repair and recovery efforts stretching over months, if not years. Socially, communities are disrupted, lives are lost, and recovery can be a long and arduous journey. Individuals may be forced to evacuate, seeking refuge in shelters, while others may lose their homes indefinitely. Moreover, the psychological toll on survivors is immense, with trauma and anxiety overshadowing the rebuilding process. Understanding these impacts underscores the importance of preparation and underscores resilience in coping with nature's fury. 8. Strategies for hurricane preparedness. Preparation is key in facing the challenges hurricanes present. Simple steps such as securing loose outdoor items and reinforcing windows can make a significant difference. Having an emergency kit stocked with essentials, like non-perishable food, water, and first aid supplies, ensures readiness in the face of a storm. An evacuation plan is critical, as is staying informed with local advisories and weather forecasts. Community-level strategies, including building resilient infrastructure and educating citizens, can further bolster preparedness. In the modern world, where hurricanes can cause havoc with little warning, fostering a culture of readiness is one of the best measures communities can adopt to ensure safety and quick recovery after the storm.